Suddenly, time ran out. I was rushing, بتجري وأنا أجري, trying to finish everything before Iftar. I didn't even get to film the rest of the table. But in moments like this, it's not about perfection, it's about being present.
You are exactly where you need to be. Even if you're in a bad situation, every bad situation, there's a good thing. We grow from difficulties, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants you to get closer to Him. How beautiful is it that every challenge you face brings you closer to Him? Remember, you're never alone, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is always with you. Call out to Him and make dua, and Allah will reply to you. He is always listening and seeing. He knows exactly how you're feeling, because Allah is our creator. And when you feel like giving up, just know that there's a verse in the Quran that says, Allah does not burden any soul with more than it can bear. So don't give up. Difficulty in life is a gift. It's Allah's mercy for us. It's difficulties like this that get us closer to Him subhanahu wa ta'ala. Our faith strengthens as we see things get better, because our du'as are being answered, and because we trusted Him. And never think, I sin too much and Allah will never forgive me. That's Shaitan. He wants us away from Allah. So don't listen to that. Remember, Allah is the most merciful, and He is the most forgiving. So don't lose hope in Allah's mercy, for Allah certainly forgives all sins. He is indeed all forgiving and all merciful. Allah is waiting to forgive you, so go back to Him.